I cannot say that this is officially the same color as power tools from Ryobi, but you need to admit that it is so close that it cannot get any closer to the original, right? Anyway, we did nail the shade so good that it looks just great together, and we are calling this color Tooling Lime. This material is HT-PLA from the Filament, which stands for High Temperature PLA. What's the difference between usual PLA and HT-PLA? The model can withstand heat of even 150 degrees Celsius, straight from the printer. No annealing needed. You can print it on every 3D printer. Actually, the best results come from open bed slingers with low speed. I made last video with tips how to print HT-PLA without problems, and you can find it in the description or clicking here in the link. There is no need for temperature tower or speed test because there is fixed settings, which are 220 degrees Celsius on the nozzle for the first layer and 210 for all the rest. Heat at bed should be 50 degrees Celsius. And if you want, you can use the glue if something is warping or you have bad adhesion. Overall speed of the filament is just like normal PLA, but I suggest to slow down to around 50 mm per second to get perfect results. Let's go back to the color Tooling Lime. I've made some accessories for my drill. Unfortunately, the side mount for screwdriver bits are not for my model, but the back mount, this one, fits perfectly. You can attach it without any tools. It holds very well up to 4 bits that you use the most, right? Very clever. You can find all the models in the description. The other part is quite universal to any drill, because this is a dust cover, like this, that you can clean after work. So you can hold it with your hands and use small holes to see if the points are in line. Pretty good. Next up, simple holder for the drill. It fits Ryobi 1 Plus drill and use 4 screws that you can bolt it to the wall, for example. HT-PLA, besides being temperature resistant, it is also a bit more durable than PLA. We did test it live on Formnext, when people were trying to break simple spatula and it was a bit challenging. So any print that needs to be stronger, HT-PLA will do it nicely. Talking about strength, I made an adapter for my pressure washer. Because the old one broke to the freezing temperatures, I made this one. And using only 100% walls instead of infill, the adapter withstands around 90 bars of water pressure without any issue or leak. Amazing, right? Being fan of Ryobi brand, I found this container on MakerWorld and printed with black HT-PLA to make the logo on it. And now we have durable, heat-resistant container for anything that we need to store or just take with us for the job. As you could see, there's a quite large surface for the first layer. So sometimes you will need to use a brim or use a glue stick to prevent warping. More about this is in a separate video about HT-PLA. I also printed the small paint mixer, which has a great design and it works perfectly with HT-PLA and uses very little filament. Lastly, this small piece is a sunglass holder for the sun visor in the car. And HT-PLA is just perfect choice for it. Why? Well, first of all, in the summer in the car you can get even 60 to 70 degrees Celsius heat when car is closed. So most of the materials will get soft and deform. I printed the same part with ASA. And despite that it should be resistant to 100 degrees Celsius, it's always intention to hold to the sun visor, this part. So after being exposed to that heat, it's losing the tension over time and it's just opening. HT-PLA don't do that. So it is better choice. Sadly, there is one disadvantage because HT-PLA is not as UV resistant as ASA, ABS or PCTG. So exposing it on direct sunlight will cause cracks over a long period of time. I still have a lot to print with that color and material, like battery holders or extra containers for accessories and, of course, charger holder. But maybe you have some ideas or suggestions what to print. Please let me know in the comments. I left this one on the end of the video so less people will see it, because I mixed the PLA on CFS while printing chickens, and I got Ryobi chocolate chicken box. You can rate it from 1 to 10. Sadly, that's all for today. I hope I've inspired you to update your power tool wall with our tooling colors or even with the Filament HT-PLA. Remember to subscribe our channel and use code SPECTRUM-YT10 to get our filaments 10% off in shop.spectrumfilament.com. As UV resistant as